about the markets now, markets in India were really on a losing streak today. Markets were down today. They closed in red, though they have opened in green. Indian markets at one point of time were down by around 420 points. So they were spooked by many factors. One of the factors being Spain bombings that led to pressure on markets across the globe. Also, Infosys fall of around 11%. That also contributed to markets losses. So Indian markets, Nifty was down by 66 points, while Sensex was down by 270 points. Major loss was from Infosys, that was down by around 9.5% as it closed. The other global markets, including European and Asian markets, they are mostly under pressure, dragged down by bombings and the terror attacks in Spain. To talk more on the market, we are joined by our analyst, Mr. Nadeem Mustafa. Good evening to you, Mr. Mustafa. First of all, how do you see trade happening next week? Today it's almost ended. How do you see trade happening next week?
I think this pressure would continue next week also, and we may see market correcting towards level of 9710 level. So the immediate support for market stands at 9775 and 9710 level. The overall factors which are coming, the geopolitical risk and the news which is coming in the market, it's taking market down, and I think this pressure will continue for some time. As far as India VIX is considered, it is also trading on a higher side, 14.37 level, which again suggests that the markets would be taking a bet for some time now next week. If you see the call writing, it is happening, the fresh call writing is happening at 9,600 to 10,000 strike price level, which again suggests that the upside is limited. So all these factors would drag the market down next week. But the support would, there is a strong support at 9,700 levels, and the market may soon rebound from that range going forward.
And Mr. Nadeem, what about the global markets? How do you see them panning out over the next few days? Do you think this kind of pressure will remain over the next few days and weeks over there?
No, I think globally the news which has been showing, like the terror attack and the Trump policies, this is taking markets to lower levels, but the things would improve and the earnings would again take a front seat, and the major earnings which would be reported today and the kind of data we have, I think the markets would be again going back to their growth trajectory in the next week globally.
Thank you, Mr. Nadeem, for talking to us and getting us all these details. Indian markets, they have closed in red. There was a pressure. At one point of time, they were as down as 400 points, but they ended with a loss of 270 points. Sensex ended with a loss of 270 points, while Nifty was also down by around 67 points.